How to fix Plague Inc. Evolved crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the general tab launch options, you want to add -dx11 and then go to the installed files and click on verify game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam and then you'll need to open up your browser and head to this link, which is going to be in the description. Now from the redistributable table, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64, both of them. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, what you need to do is check if your GPU has the latest updates. You can open up the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you're running. And from the drivers tab, check for the latest updates and install them. Now, the last thing you'll need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from the library and it should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.